Hi, welcome to Thiru Academy. Today we are going to see about how to bootstrap our Spring Boot application. Bootstrapping Spring Boot application. Okay, we are going to use Spring Initializer here to bootstrap our application or Spring Toolsuite IDE to develop Spring Boot applications. Okay, Spring Initializer. It's a web tool by Spring official website. Helps to download a Spring Boot project with all required dependencies. Pre-configured and could be imported into your IDE. So Spring Toolsuite is an Eclipse-based IDE dedicated to developing Spring-based applications. This is one of the approach we are using, Spring Initializer or Spring Toolsuite IDE. Okay, it comes with pre-installed latest version of Eclipse, Spring-based components, server integration for Eclipse, and other things required to generate an enterprise application using Spring. Okay, here I'll create one simple web application and I'll show you how to bootstrap our application. Okay, going with Spring Initializer. Okay, Maven project I am taking a Spring Boot 3.1.1. Group name I am taking com.Thiru Academy. Demo project name artifact ID I am taking as demo only. Okay, here package name com.Thiru Academy. Packaging SHR 17 version. Here I am adding only Lombok dependency. Lombok also not required. Okay, then fine. Clicking on generate. It will download the zip version of our project. Yes, our project is here. I am extracting here only. Extracted, and I am going to import this demo project into our IDE. Import existing Maven projects and location from downloads. I need to import, right? Demo, select folder. Yes, finish. Yes, our project is imported into our IDE. Okay, here, sorry, we need to create endpoint, right, to test our application. I will add web dependency here. Add dependencies, web, Spring Web. Okay, explore. It will generate our POM, right? I'm taking this dependency. I'll add it to our POM.xml. Okay, dependencies. Under dependencies, we need to add it. Format, Control S. Yeah, fine. It is imported dependency also. If you observe, see, starter web dependency is imported. Fine. Our project is ready. I am creating one endpoint URI to test our application. New class. Controller. I am taking demo controller. Okay. Yeah, fine. Finished. Thread REST controller, or we are creating the REST endpoint, right? So that I'm using @REST controller annotation and @request mapping to set that URI. Just I'm using slash, creating one method, public method, which is returning string, and say hello. I'm creating. Okay, I'm not taking any input value, just returning string. Spring Boot bootstrapping. Just welcome to Spring Boot bootstrapping. This is a get method, right? I need to specify which method it is. So I'm using @get mapping. I'm not specifying any endpoint URI. Why? Because we have only one method, right? So I'm directly calling. I'm running this application. Run as Spring Boot application. Yeah, fine. I didn't placed any port number, right? So that because it is running with the default port. Yeah, welcome to Spring Boot bootstrapping. We have used returned same string, right? Yeah, fine. Our application is ready. Now I need to create jar file for our application. Okay, just right click on that project in Project Explorer, clicking on properties. I am taking this location where I have we have available our project. Okay, just apply and close. Just open that command prompt cmd. Okay, it is in downloads, right? See only. Yeah, fine. I'm generating that jar file. For that, this is the command mvn clean install. Processing is going. Yeah, build success. This is the message we need to get our for our project. Okay, then we'll see where it is generated. I am refreshing our project. Refresh. See, in target folder, this is the jar file we have generated now. Okay, just I am taking that target file. Target folder location. Why? Because we need to run this application, right? So just now we have created, we are ready with our project and we have created that jar file to our project. Okay, Control C, apply and close. Just I'm stopping this server. Why? Because we are going to run our jar file, right? We didn't specify any port. Why? Because it is running with the default port. Okay, in command prompt, I'm taking this target up to the target folder. I'm taking that path. Okay, now I need to run. We need to run our jar file, right? Jar file name. I need to take it. Properties. Yeah, this is the jar file name taken. Okay, to run jar file, this is the command java -jar. We need to give our jar name. Sorry. Yeah, just enter. Yeah, application started demo application with 8080 port. Just now we have seen, right? I'll give you one more. You can see http://localhost 8080 slash. Yes, we got output. Welcome to Spring Boot bootstrapping. This is the message we have written in our project. Okay, this is the way to bootstrap our Spring Boot application. If you really like this video, please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.